Hi everyone. In this video, we'll set up Bhojanops to run digital menus, QR ordering, and kitchen workflows for your restaurant. This makes day-to-day operations smoother and helps your customers order without waiting for staff. We are going to get everything running in just 3 simple steps. The first step is onboarding and initial setup on Bhojanops, starting with creating a new restaurant account. To kick things off with Bhojanops, hit the Get Started button on the homepage. You'll land on the registration form where we'll set up your restaurant from scratch. Start by entering your restaurant's name in the first field. Notice that the restaurant code, which is your unique URL slug, gets auto-generated based on the name. This is what customers will use to access your digital menu. Next, jump into the Your Name field to add the owner or manager details. Heads up, if you see a message saying the restaurant code is already taken, don't worry, we'll fix that in a moment. Go ahead and type in your full name. Fill in your email address. This will be used for your login credentials. Set a secure password for your account in the next field. Add your mobile number so customers and the system can reach you when needed. Since that restaurant code was already in use, scroll back up and tweak it slightly to make it unique. Adding a number at the end usually does the trick. Once everything looks good, hit the Create Restaurant button to register your account. You'll be redirected to the staff login page where you can enter your credentials. Just click Sign In to enter your dashboard. Once you're inside, dismiss or save the password pop-up and you're officially ready to start managing your restaurant. A restaurant account is now set up and ready to go. Next, let's move on to uploading and managing the menu, where we'll add all our dishes in bulk using a simple spreadsheet template. To get your menu onto Bhojanops, head over to the Menu Upload section in the left sidebar. Rather than adding dishes one by one, we'll do a bulk upload. Grab the pre-filled Excel template by clicking Download Excel Template. When the Save dialog pops up, go ahead and save the template file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the folder icon in the notification to jump straight to where the file is saved. Open up the menu template file. This is where you'd normally fill in all your dishes, prices, and categories, but ours already comes with sample data. You'll see a preview of every item being imported. If it all looks good, hit Import All to push them into your menu. You'll land on the menu items list with everything loaded in. Scroll down to take a look at your full menu. Let's spruce up one of the dishes. Hit the Edit icon next to Chole Bhature. Edit the image of the item from here. Browse through the stock image library and pick a picture that matches the dish. Lock in your choice by hitting Save. Notice that this dish is currently switched off, meaning customers can't order it. Flip the toggle to On to make it available. And just like that, a Now Available notification confirms the dish is live on your menu. The menu is now uploaded and ready to go. Next, let's move on to adding and managing staff, so your team members can access the system with their own roles and permissions. To bring your team onto the platform, head over to the Staff section from the sidebar. Since there's no one added yet, let's get started by hitting the Add Staff button in the top right. Go ahead and fill in the staff members' details, including their name, mobile number, email, and a password they'll use to log in. For the role, pick the option that matches their job, like chef, from the drop-down. The display role is the custom title that will show up on their profile and the kitchen display. So type in something specific like head chef to give it more context. Once everything looks good, hit save to add them to your team. You'll see a quick staff created confirmation, and their profile card will now appear with options to edit or remove them anytime. If you ever open the form by mistake or change your mind, just click cancel to back out without saving. Next, let's head to settings and generate QR codes to configure tax details, payment options, and create scannable codes for each table. To configure your restaurant's core preferences, head over to the Settings tab in the sidebar. This is where you can fine-tune everything that affects your billing and operations. You'll find tax details like GSTIN, CGST, and SGST rates, service charges, payment options with UPI integration, order type controls for takeaway or counter orders, and even meal slots to schedule when specific menu items should appear during the day. Once your settings are in place, jump to the QR code section. Bhojanops automatically generates a unique QR code for each table in your restaurant. You can set the number of tables at the top and download individual codes or print them all at once. Feel free to explore the rest of the sidebar, from GST reports and the dashboard to orders, subscription, settings, and the kitchen display. Each section plays its own role in running your restaurant smoothly. For now, let's circle back to the QR codes page to get these ready for your tables. The QR codes for each table have been generated successfully. Now let's move on to preparing the physical QR codes for tables and services so customers can easily scan and place their orders. To prepare your restaurant for digital ordering, print out the generated QR codes and place them at each table. Here's how Table 1's code looks once it's printed and ready for customers. Do the same for every table in your restaurant, like this one for Table 2. So each table has its own unique code. You can also set up a dedicated takeaway QR code for customers who want to order for pickup without waiting in line. And don't forget a counter order code at the front desk, giving walk-in customers a quick and easy way to browse the menu and place their order. Let's see the customer's journey by accessing the menu via QR code. A simple scan opens the digital menu instantly on their phone. To kick off the customer's ordering journey, simply point your phone's camera at the table QR code and tap the link that pops up. In just a moment, the ordering interface loads up, greeting your customer with a welcome screen tied to their specific table. From here, the customer enters their name in the first field. Next, they'll add their mobile number, which helps you keep track of customer details for orders and updates. Once that's done, hitting Browse Menu and Order takes them straight to your digital menu. The menu is now open on the customer's phone. Let's move on to placing and managing an order, where the customer adds items and sends the request to the kitchen. To place an order, browse through the digital menu to explore the dishes available across different categories. Found something you like? Just hit the Add button next to the items you want, like the veg thali and non-veg thali here. Once your selections look good, tap on Place Order to send it straight to the kitchen. Craving something more? No need to call a waiter. Simply tap the plus Order More button to keep adding to your tab. Go ahead and add a dessert like gulab jamun, then place the second round of orders the same way. The order has been placed successfully and marked as served. Now let's move on to viewing and settling the bill, where the customer can review all rounds of orders and complete the payment. Once you're ready to settle up, head over to the order status screen and tap on View Bill and Pay to see the final amount. Here's the complete bill with a breakdown of every round along with the applicable taxes. To pay, just hit the copy button next to the UPI ID and complete the payment through any UPI app. Need a copy for your records? Tap the Download Bill option and once it's saved, open the file to take a look. Pick your preferred app to view the PDF invoice. And there you have it, a clean, professional PDF invoice ready to be saved or shared, wrapping up the entire dining experience seamlessly with Bhojanops. And just like that, the bill is viewed and settled right from the customer's phone. Your restaurant is now fully running on Bhojanops with digital menus, QR ordering, and kitchen workflows all working together. Hope this helps you get started and good luck with your service.